Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Reggae Sumfest is celebrating their 25th anniversary this year. The launch for this year's staging was recently held in New York with a local launch planned for May 11 at the Usain Bolt Tracks and Records venue. A final pre-event will take place in Miami, Florida on May 18. CEO of Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, continues to increase the numbers for the event and plans to position the event to compete with major festivals worldwide. Reggae Sumfest 2017 is scheduled to take place at the Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex in Montego Bay from July 16 to 22. Reggae singer Lutan Fyah continues to embed unity, love and justice in his music. The reggae crooner recently released Music Never Dies, his latest album which features 13 riveting tracks. The album is available on iTunes and all major digital distribution platforms. A Silver Musgrave Award for the legendary Freddie McGregor. On May 25, the Institute of Jamaica will honor the singer for his continued contribution to reggae music, which spans more than 50 years. The artist, boasting favorites such as Push Come to Shove, Big Ship, So I'll Wait for You, has remained steadfast on his musical journey by staying true to his roots, with greater accomplishments to come. On the international scene, Ja Rule and the promoter for the failed Fyah Festival, Billy McFarland, have been slapped with a $100 million lawsuit by partygoers who felt that the Bahamas luxury all-inclusive event was a scam. Patrons criticized the inability of promoters to deliver the experience promised, with many persons left stranded in the Bahamas. Patrons paid anywhere between $1,200 and $100,000 for tickets to attend the legendarily disastrous event. Organizers last week pulled the plug on the concert and released a statement denying foul play but taking responsibility for the failed concert. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.